Ladies, gentlemen,
We got him.
we did it. 100,000 subscribers. Guys, this video is going to be short. It's going to be sweet. Just allow me to take 2 minutes. I'm speaking for both myself and my brother Austin, and we just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your support. You know, 100,000, really, it's an arbitrary number. But then on the other hand, it's a big milestone, and you know, we couldn't have done it without you. This is just the beginning of this channel, by the way. We have a lot more to do, a lot more to grow. And plus, as far as I'm concerned, anybody who's here right now, anybody who is here with us before 100,000 subscribers, you're an early adopter to this channel. So keep that in mind. Actually, what makes me feel really good is that I still see some people who have been with us since, you know, way back in the day, since we had less than 10,000 subscribers. So I guess they were the true early adopters. They took all the risk, I guess. But hey, we're going to keep growing. We're going to keep getting better. We're going to stay on this journey together. So again, I want to say thank you. And I look forward to continuing together for the next several years to come. And also, the point of this video, I want to invite you to our upcoming Q&A face reveal 100,000 subscriber celebration. This is just like we promised. We said back in the day, once we hit 100,000 subscribers, we'll do a face reveal. And we're going to be answering some questions. So if you have a question for us, if you'd like us to answer one of your questions, post it in the comments below this video. And we're going to hopefully get a chance to answer that question in our upcoming face reveal Q&A 100,000 subscriber celebration. You know what? I was thinking back on, you know, just how far this channel has come. I don't know if you were around since the very beginning. Let us know in the comments. But who's around? We started this channel February 2nd of 2018. And if you remember, that was about a month into the beginning of what we soon found out was a brutal bear market for Bitcoin and crypto. It was, you know, thinking back, it was probably the worst time to start a cryptocurrency YouTube channel because, you know, while everybody else, while all these other crypto YouTubers started their channels, they were making videos in the bull market, in the good times, near the height of the euphoria stage of the market. They were getting tens of thousands of subscribers in a very short time, and more power to them, that's great. We were trying to grow our channel when nobody was interested. Everybody was pissed off. Nobody wanted to hear it. Everybody felt disheartened. And we had our work cut out for us back then. But you know what? I saw the content that was being put out there for cryptocurrency YouTube channels. I saw the same videos that you saw back then. And I thought to myself, I say, these people deserve a better class of crypto YouTuber. And you know what? I'm going to give it to them. So we grinded through the bear market. You remember, I invited my brother Austin to join the team. And that's when the channel really picked up. And then you joined the team, and here we are. And anyways, guys, we'll cover all this stuff in our Q&A video. Please post your questions below. Austin and I will be answering them together in an upcoming face reveal video. It's going to be great. It's going to be a great year. This is just the beginning, guys. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you tomorrow.